TNA Pass Registration, Tamil Nadu COVID-19 Pass Apply Online. Published by सरकारी योजनाओं की जानकारी हिंदी में. Tamil Nadu COVID-19 Pass Apply, TNA Pass Online Registration, Tamil Nadu A-Pass Application Form, TNA Registration. In this article today, we will share with you all the important aspects of the Tamil Nadu A-Pass. We will also share with you all the important specification of the Tamil Nadu Curfew Pass which is available for all of the residences of the Tamil Nadu state. In this article, we will share with you all the step-by-step procedure which you will have to undertake if you want to apply for the Tamil Nadu COVID-19. In this article, we will also share with you all the eligibility criteria important for the A-Pass. TNA registration online. Much the same as different states, Tamil Nadu government is likewise offering A-Pass to their residents, however it will be given to just the individuals who are partnered to the fundamental obligations and couldn't suspend their work. If you are among the individuals who have a place with such a classification, then you can apply for the TN COVID-19 A-Pass. The A-Pass will be given once the confirmation procedure is finished by the power authorities of the Tamil Nadu government. A-Pass mandatory in Tamil Nadu. According to new travel guidelines which have announced on the 4th of March 2021, due to the increase in COVID-19 fresh cases, the Tamil Nadu state government has made A-Pass mandatory for travelling anywhere in India. Now if you are planning to travel to Tamil Nadu state, then you have to register for TNA Pass online. In past days there is a lot of increase in the new COVID-19 case, so the state government has taken this decision. Guidelines and restrictions issued by Telangana government. As you all know that the number of COVID-19 cases in Tamil Nadu has been increasing day by day. In order to break the COVID-19 chain, the government has issued fresh guidelines which will be implemented from the 17th of May 2021. These guidelines are listed below. A-Pass registration have been made mandatory for inter-district passengers along with interstate and international passengers. Only for the purpose of essential activities like a funeral, medical treatment, marriages, etc. will people be allowed to travel after filling the form on the official website. Previously vegetable, meat, grocery, and other shops were allowed to operate till noon, but now they can operate from 6 am to 10 am only with 50% occupancy. Those pavement shops that were selling perishable goods like fruits, vegetables, flowers are now prohibited. Tea shops are also not allowed to operate. E-commerce services will be allowed to operate from 2 pm to 6 pm. On Sundays, full lockdown will continue to be in force. Night curfew will also continue to be in force. All the ATMs, petrol pump LS, pharmacy, and natural medicine stores will be allowed to operate as usual. Details of Tamil Nadu COVID-19 A-Pass. Tamil Nadu Inter-District A-Pass. Tamil Nadu Chief Minister Edappadi K. Palaniswamy has announced last week that now A-Pass will issue to the individuals within 24 hours for inter-district travel. Yet the government is issuing passes for marriage, medical emergency, close relatives' death, gov. Tender bidding, ongoing gov. Work or if stranded only. But now passes will issue to the individuals who want to return home and stuck in other districts of the state. For travelling through private vehicles, A-Pass is mandatory. Eligible candidates. Only the following candidates are eligible to apply for the Tamil Nadu COVID-19 A-Pass. Government duties. Police. Fire, electricity. Water department. Health worker. Bank employees. Medial department. Patient. Death case. Medical services. Exempted activities. Agriculture. Animal husbandry. Fisheries. Movement, loading, unloading goods. MSMEs outside Greater Chennai police limits. Plantations. Supply of essential goods. Declaration of TN A-Pass. The following declaration has to be made by the beneficiaries who are applying for the A-Pass. The principal announcement is that the data given by you in the application structure is consistent with your insight, and in the event that on-check distinctions discovered incorrect or speak to dishonestly, at that point legitimate move will be made against the candidate. The subsequent one is that not all candidates are fortunate to get the A-Pass. Some application could be dismissed without giving any notification, so you have to concur with that and you can't protest on this. The last affirmation is that the individual who got the A-Pass need to limit themselves to home isolate for 14 days once she finishes the excursion and come back to their area. TN Instant A-Pass registration. To apply for an inter-district instant approval A-Pass, you should visit the official website. On open page, enter mobile number and capture code appear on the screen. The hit send OTP option and you will receive an SMS with OTP code. Enter the code on the screen and provide all the asked information on the screen. Submit the application after preview the information. You will get the approval message within 24 hours of application. Tamil Nadu COVID-19 A-Pass online registration. To apply for the COVID A-Pass, you have to follow the simple procedure given below. First, click on the official website link given here. The application form will appear on your screen. Fill up all of the details which are asked in the application form, such as applicant name, mobile number, date of birth of the applicant, email ID of the applicant if any, type of applicant, government, private, public, Aadhaar number, last 4 digits of their Aadhaar card, address details, District name. Tehsil. Police station. The applicant needs to submit the police station name in which his/her area falls. Post office. The name of the post office of their area. PIN code of the applicant area. Vehicle registration number. Type of vehicle. Journey type. Purpose of travel. The applicant needs to select the purpose from the predefined list, which is medical, government duty, collection or distribution of grocery, other essential, marriage, funeral, etc. Pass date. Select the date you want to issue your pass and last date of the pass. Source of the route. Enter the name of the route where your journey will commence and where it will conclude. Remarks. Enter the remarks on why you need this pass and justify your travel. Members traveling. Name, age and mobile number of the person who is traveling along with you. If more than one person is going to travel with you, then you can press the addition sign and the next column will be added in the form. Tick the declaration. You will receive the registration ID. If details found correct, the pass will be issued to you. Take the printout of the pass. Pass for inter-district and interstate movement in own vehicle. First of all, go to the official website of TNA registration. The home page will open for you. On the home page, you have to select your traveling destination, which is as follows. Traveling within India, Tamil Nadu. Coming to Tamil Nadu from a foreign country. A new page will appear before you. On this new page, you are required to enter your email ID and capture code. Now you have to enter the OTP into the OTP box. After that, you have to click on the login. Now registration form will appear before you. On this registration form, you have to enter all the mandatory information like your name, travel history, email address, phone number, etc. After that, you are required to click on register to get a pass. After approval, a pass will be sent on your registered email ID. By following this procedure, you can register to get an A-pass for inter-district and interstate movement in your own vehicle. A-pass for those passengers who are outside India. Go to the NOCA registration page. The home page will appear before you. On the home page, you are required to click on the Outside India tab. A new page will appear before you. On this new page, you have to enter the following information. Name. Age. Date of birth. Residing country. Permanent address in Kerala. District. Panchayat, municipality, corporation. Present address. Email. Phone number with country code. WhatsApp number. After that, you have to click on next. Now a new page will appear before you. On this new page, you have to enter the required information and upload all the required documents. After that, you have to click on the register. The registration number will appear on your screen. Now you have to go to the COVID-19 Jagrata website by clicking here. A new page will appear before you. On this new page, you have to enter your mobile number and NOCA registration number. Now you have to click on verify. After that, a new page will appear before you. On this new page, you have to enter the required information. Now you have to click on Get a Pass. As soon as you click on the Get a Pass link, the A-Pass will be generated on your computer screen. You have to click on the download link in order to download it. Procedure to get A-Pass for those passengers who are inside India. Visit the NOCA registration page. The home page will appear before you. On the home page, you are required to click on Inside India. Now you have to click on New Registration in COVID-19 Jagrata. A new page will appear before you. On this new page, you have to enter your mobile number. After that, you have to click on Verify. Now registration form will appear before you. On the registration form, you are required to enter all the information. After that, you are required to upload all the important documents. Now you have to click on the register. After that, you have to visit the COVID-19 Jagrata site by clicking here. Now you have to enter your mobile number and NOCA registration number. After that, you are required to click on Verify. Now a new page will appear before you. On this new page, you have to enter the required information and upload the required documents. Now you have to click on Download A-Pass. As soon as you click on this link, A-Pass will be downloaded in your device. Recover forgotten NOCA registration number. First of all, go to the official website of COVID-19 Jagrata. The home page will open before you. On the home page, you are required to click on the Citizen tab. Now you have to click on the Domestic entry. After that, you are required to click on Forget NOCA registration number. A new page will appear before you. On this new page, you have to enter your mobile number and date of birth. After that, you have to click on Proceed. An OTP will be sent to your registered mobile number. Now you have to enter the OTP into the OTP box. After that, you have to click on Submit. NOCA registration number will be sent on your registered mobile number. Do new registration in COVID-19 Jagrata website. Go to the official website of COVID-19 Jagrata. The home page will open before you. Now you are required to click on the Citizen tab. After that, you have to click on domestic entry. After that, you are required to click on new registration in COVID-19 Jagrata. A new page will appear before you. On this new page, you are required to enter your mobile number. Now you have to click on verify. An OTP will be sent to your mobile number. You have to enter this OTP into the OTP box. Now you have to click on proceed. After that, registration form will appear before you. You have to enter all the required information in this registration form. Now you have to click on submit. By following this procedure, you can do new registration on COVID-19 Jagrata website. Reschedule, modify your registration. Visit the official website of COVID-19 Jagrata. The home page will open before you. On the home page, we're required to click on Citizen tab. Now you have to click on domestic entry. A new page will appear before you. On this new page, you have to click on reschedule, modify your registration. Now you have to enter your registration number. After that, you are required to click on verify. Now your registration form will appear before you. You can make changes in your registration. After that, you have to click on submit. By following this procedure, you can reschedule or modify your registration. Helpline numbers. By this article, we have provided you all the important information regarding TNA Pass registration. If you are still facing any kind of problem, then you can contact the helpline numbers in order to solve your problem. The helpline numbers are 9,345,168,402, 9,444,920,525, 956,603,311, 9,080,144,760, 9,566,300,846, 9,444,761,625. Toll-free NOS, 1070 and 1077, 1-800-425-1333.
Like, subscribe. Thank you for watching.